Top 3 Air Fryers of December 2024. Find your perfect kitchen companion. Hi everyone! Are you looking for the perfect air fryer to cook healthier meals while saving time? Today, I've got the top 3 air fryers of December 2024 for you. Each one offers unique features, from advanced technology to great capacity and unbeatable value for money. Stick around to find out the best options on the market and their current prices in dollars. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, the Philips Ovi Smart XXL HD9867, the ultimate leader in air fryers. Thanks to its smart sensing technology, it automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature, guaranteeing perfect results every time. Its XXL capacity makes it a fantastic choice for large families. Features? It bakes, fries, grills, and all with minimal oil, up to 90% less. Plus, you get access to hundreds of recipes via the NutriU app. The price? Around $230, depending on the retailer. Next, we have the Tefal Easy Fry XXL IY701D15. This air fryer boasts a generous 5.6-liter capacity and 8 automatic programs, perfect for cooking everything from crispy fries to grilled chicken. It's ideal for larger households that need quick and healthy meals. The price? Approximately $180, a fantastic option in this category. Finally, for those seeking a compact and stylish solution, there's the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer. While it's slightly smaller with a 4.7-liter capacity, it more than makes up for it with functionality. It offers 9 cooking modes and a non-stick coating, making it super easy to clean. It's perfect for smaller kitchens or couples. The price? A very reasonable $140. Which model is right for you? If you want maximum functionality and large capacity, go for the Philips Ovi Smart XXL. For great value in a family-friendly size, the Tefal Easy Fry XXL is your best bet. And if you need a compact, versatile option, the Cosori Pro LE is the way to go. Let me know in the comments which model caught your attention. And if you'd like to see these air fryers in action, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.